Mansfield Community Park. Some basketball, soccer fields, little playground for the kids. Concession area with bathrooms. Multiple bathrooms there. Baseball fields, batting cages, and soccer fields. Track around the outside for bicycling or just jogging or walking. Nice little park. Great community. And that's the tour of the park.